Okay, how do you completely change the image when you hover over it in Elementor? I'm going to go to a fake page here and edit with Elementor. And on this page I have a background image and a large header, and then here I have 3 columns with images in the background. If you edit column, you'll see the image right here that I placed in the background. When you also have this hover option here, and when you click that, you see there's an option to add an image here. So if you add another completely different image, now when we hover over that image, you'll see it's totally different, and it's a pretty neat effect that doesn't get used a lot. If it's within the same theme as what you got going on here, I'm sure the transition is not quite as jarring as having a surfboard and an astronaut. But I suppose I would also have to do a size cover or something like that. So I would have to resize this. It looks like it's a little small, but that's a nice effect I wanted to share. If you're interested in full tutorials, go to stepbystepwp.com, and that's where I post my full website tutorials. The difference in my tutorials is that we use a starter site as a template, so you don't have to start from scratch. You just install the entire starter site, and then you can make all the adjustments from there. Thanks.